Yeah, Ill State Records, Middle Earth. Got my man ST, ACB, my man JM coming from New York. You know the name, ELO. What the business is?
When the streets call, you better answer that phone. When opportunity knock, you better answer that door. Yeah, show thug, but you know my money long. G1 swag, cause you know a nigga gone. Feel like I'm on a pill, feel like I drank a lot. Smoking on that loud, done got a nigga hot. Gucci on my head, Jordans on my feet. Championship flow hot like the summer heat. Do my thing in the kitchen, Chef or ID, you couldn't be a Guna Goblin on Halloween. Don't ever underestimate the other guy's greed. Feel like I'm sleepwalking cause I'm living my dream. I swear the illest in the state is on my team. I swear a nigga so dope you gon' need a triple beam. Got that dope dick hoes looking like fiends. Got that tall money shack, oh yeah I mean. Baby, I'm fly, this is just hang time. Every day I ball like it's game time. Made a movie with your girl, I guess it's cash time. I break shorty, always put her in the cash time. Baby, I'm fly, this is just hang time. Every day I ball like it's game time. Made a movie with your girl, I guess it's cash time. I break shorty, always put her in the cash time.
I'm a mix of John the Baptist and Anton LaVey. With a heart like Mother Teresa's, yet equipped to bring you pain. Shit, at least I'm keeping it real, your life's a two-faced hypocrisy. So don't even try to complain, cause I'm like Hitler running a democracy. What can they say when I'm handling business with 5 different hustles? I'm banging those states to the fullest cause we got the mind, heart, and the muscle. I'm living and breathing and shitting and eating this music daily grinding. Now niggas ain't even on my level, a simple little look into my eyes is blinding. None of you haters are walking my shoes, stupid enough to come sparking my fuse. All of you bitches I suck and I bruise, tied up in your garage and abused. Laying your hand and playing the lose, left them to the jar, you can't stay confused. Taking your money and taking your shoes, so state is the name and we breaking the rules. Ain't nobody harder from the land of the ill. Kicking in the door when I plan is to kill. We'll hurt you and stick you and murk you and Vicky. That's just in that song, you'll get damaged for real. Enter the entity, best to be friends with me. Hip hop and I'm mutual codependency. Shining in every single part of the game and we do this stupendously.
Baby, I'm fly, this is just hang time. Every day I ball like it's game time. Made a movie with your girl, I guess it's cash time. I break shorty, always put her